In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a membership site in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the membership feature, protect your content, set up plans, test access, and publish confidently. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head into the site you want to use for memberships. Starting here keeps everything centralized from pages to settings so you can build and test in one place before going live. Next, turn on member areas, also called the membership feature. In your site settings, look for member areas and enable it. This unlocks tools for creating member-only pages, managing signups, and handling payments if you're charging. Take a moment to skim the options you'll see, things like customizing the member sign-up flow and email notifications, so you know what's available as you build. Now, create the protected content you want members to access. Add or edit pages and set their visibility to members only. You can build full courses, resource libraries, or a private blog. Organize content into logical sections and use clear page names so it's easy to connect the right plan later. If you like, you can leave short teaser sections public to explain the value of joining without revealing the full content. With your content in place, set up your pricing plans or access levels. Create one or multiple plans, free, paid, or tiered, with names and descriptions that explain exactly what members get. Choose one-time payment or subscriptions, and set billing intervals that make sense for your audience. If you plan to charge, Squarespace may prompt you to connect a payment processor. Follow the guided steps so checkout works smoothly. Now connect each membership plan to the correct content. In the plan settings, select the specific pages or areas that plan should unlock. Double check this mapping so higher tiers include everything they should and lower tiers don't see restricted material by mistake. Before you publish, thoroughly test sign up, login, and access permissions. Open a private browser window and go through the member journey from start to finish. Create a test account, complete the sign up or checkout, log in, and verify you can access the protected pages you intended. Then log out to confirm protected content is hidden. If you've set up multiple plans, repeat the test for each one. When everything works properly, publish the membership site. Review your navigation. Make sure public pages clearly explain the benefits of joining, and then share your launch. Keep an eye on member feedback and analytics so you can refine over time.